Let's get it parted in here. All right, you guys. So, what's up, you guys? NASDAQ time, stock time. I just talked about Bitcoin other video in Ethereum. Now to the regular market. Yesterday, damn, that was the key for the night and smashed through it. So let's go on the weekly. No, daily. Daily. Oh yeah, that's why I put it. So yesterday I was having trouble issues with the Zoom, the computer, and my slow ass couldn't fix it. So I had to make a couple of videos on TikTok. I try to see if I can somehow just have my buddy do something and do some sort of video or something and put it on my YouTube channel. Uh, so, anyways, I mentioned with Bitcoin how this was an important area right here. That's why you have it boxed up in a orange box. When I saw Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin was either somewhere here or it's even lower or in this box. Let me I'll check right now. Yeah, it's in this area right here. Go to 1 hour candles. What time was it yesterday? 9 o'clock-ish? 10 o'clock, yeah, around 9, 10 o'clock. Um, yeah, around this time. So right here I mentioned how even though we had that quote unquote bad news and they made the market retest, the moment we came to this shit right here, I want to say 6, 7. Let me see. 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 5, 12, 13, 14, 16. So this is 5 o'clock, 5, 6. So that's what that right there. Because we're about to, first of all, we're about to break an important weekly area. Important weekly area. That's what this red box was here for. To indicate me that. You go to your weekly, you can see that's where we started the week. So that's why it was a big no-no to not go beneath that. Especially when you were like midday. You still had plenty of more hours to keep on falling before the data came out. So I was like, nah. So the fact that it did that and I was asleep. Not just that, but we've closed a 4 hour candle at 6. So the fact that think about it, you're seeing this when you go to your 15-minute candle. You're seeing this 4 candle that's about to close, start breaking this weekly line, which is very important, signaling for a sell. So maybe these rookies start going on sales, or they go on a sell in this region, which is easable to see. He was probably coming from the top and took a bow. I don't know shit, but I think it was gonna be some sort of age, but it's not. And you can see it's gonna go for that move, for an H move, meaning when it comes down and it draws an H and it just keeps going down. So you see that it did that. You see that it broke some important number, price, support, whatever that traders are looking at, and you go for a sell, especially leverage traders. Think it's gonna go down, you see you're holding or you're going to sell right here because these are again more usable. There's a 15-minute candle. So especially on this box, seeing this box right here, all right? It's an 8 hour red. And you go to your 15-minute candle. All right, so it's a 15-minute candle, and this is the box. So you're seeing that there's 2 candles, which is most likely was this one right here. Let me see which one was it. 8 hour candle. No, it was an 8-hour candle then. Yo, I just noticed I was looking at the wrong area. I was looking way over here. And I don't know why I was looking at it way over here. Yeah, the wrong one. All right, so let me take that. Yeah, you only got that one right there. Okay, yeah, okay, you guys, never mind, ignore that. So, again, this was the key area when I was looking at the NASDAQ on the 12-hour candle. I noticed, no, on the 12-hour, 8-hour candle, I noticed this because that's where we were yesterday in the 8-hour candle. Um, and that's why I do the box from the support to the resistance, stretch it out. It was a box right here because you have your 2 and your 1. And either the one's gonna be of this, or at the end day, it's gonna end up recovering back in and doing going green, or it's gonna end up halfway and then from there. But either way, that box is gonna signal you. But especially if you can connect all the lines and the supports when they're gonna bounce off and they're gonna go up and whatnot. And you know they're gonna go back in here and eventually that box that candle that was a stick now is gonna be green because you still have your data coming out later on, so it'll bounce on up and come all that bullshit. All that shit goes into the thinking. Cause think about it. You're saying so we see it right here, right? We see this right here, and this what's happening as I was sleeping, right? So I didn't see none of this shit. I didn't see the first candle of the box forming or none of that, right? Um, but then when I woke up and I saw that, I was like, okay, we go back in here, and it's gonna be a good, it's gonna be we're going back in. It's gonna be we're going for that move because you see that I don't know how to explain it, but because this is where you want to go back in because especially in an 8-hour candle, it was telling you, hey, if you hold in here, we'll be creating support, and then we have the data coming out tomorrow. This is your this is your this is where you're gonna go for a buy. Instead of traders going for wherever the fuck the news came out, whether it be up here or somewhere up there. Actually, no, way more up there. Because it's a little bit close for the day. So the data came out somewhere here, or somewhere here. Let me see. Actually, let's check it out. Actually, it came out 5:30, right? 5:30. People are still sleeping. The market's not still open. 12:1. So see, this was your move. This was your move right here. Take key area. Yep, the key area. You carry it for a sell Wednesday throughout the night. So that bounce and everything. This was the whole area. And this is where I was recording too, or I was gonna record and bring all shit up. I'll go on my TikTok and see if I find the video. That way you can see I'm not BSing. Because again, the move happened between 11:45, 12:30 to really confirm you whether you're going the rest of the day or the night, especially if you have data the next coming up day. You had your your 11, 12. All this was good. All this was good, especially being your key area because that was your main support resistance hard area to pass. You dig? And you would have gone there for a buy, and you would have held, and then again, you would have taken your profit in this area right here because you didn't know how the news was gonna be. And then not just that, you also wait because you also know after the data comes out at 5:30, you also know you gotta wait for the market to react to it. Even though it came out good, you still gotta react to let the market react to it. And not just that, you still got data at 7 o'clock. So your real move to wait for was again what is it? 8:45? No, 7:45 and 8:30. So you go, what's it like 8? 9 o'clock. Like I say, that's why you will eat between 7:45 and 8:30 to check and see if it touches the support, whatever it has to move, it has to do. And it tested the support that I just brought right there, especially doing all this. Oh, bad news, data, investors react bad to it, or so and so bad, blah, 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 blah. And then, all right, on to the next one, you guys. And then also you also had Nike. Nike's a big, it's not just no more about the data. It's not no more about and buyers and sellers buying and what's moving the market. It's bots. Bots are moving all this shit. Millions, thousands of dollars, billions of dollars going into this shit that you're not moving. Um, so and also because Nike's a big brand and it's retail sales, so it matters. It's one of those like, oh, will Nike sell good? That will fucking let us know how if the regular folks are still buying and then blah 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 blah. So that's same thing with Walmart, same thing with Home Depot, big place where a lot of people go and buy stuff. That's why that data affects the market when you have earnings from those places. So especially with Nike, especially with big brands like that, or I think that's the only brand I think big brand like that in the shoe wise or clothes wise. I'm not sure about other ones because you still got plenty of other ones, the other brands, more expensive brands, but they don't do more the market. This does because it's for like the common folks. That's why. So see, even this, even closing on this 12-hour candle here, see a pause there. That's why that was there. I forgot. But it's actually through here. I don't know where the fuck it's up there. My bad for cussing you guys. This shit should be right here. That'll give me a signal to go for a buy because it was the highest that it was, or the next foundation. The same as I was talking about Bitcoin. It was drilling, 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 drilling. So that was my oh shit. There's your binary right here, buddy. This is your binary, so pay attention to it. For a candle, for a candle, to a candle. See, this is your binary right here. 12 candle, everything, all this, the box, the time. What time was it? 10 in the morning, 12. And I had a trade, somewhere here, or maybe, what was it? I think I took it here and I left it here because I didn't know how, no, yeah, took it out after the market opened, which was, let's see, where did it closed? Closed there, right? And I went on buy then. Yeah, buying, I think so. No, like I said, here to here. Yeah, and took it up to here. A small one. I think it gave me like 40 some, no, yeah, 40 something. And then once the market opens, I saw it do this. And even though it's small, I just took it because if it was actually bad, you would have seen this easily. You would have seen this go down halfway here, continue type of thing. But the fact that it stayed there, I took it because then again from there, I didn't know how long it will, how low it's gonna test, stay here and then go up or whatnot. Or I wanted to actually, I didn't let it breathe. Like I think like maybe within like the 5 minutes or 3 minutes of it being the market opening back up, I took the money and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just wait for the next. the next if setup or whatnot. But what I didn't think about is that you have a 4 hour candle close at 6, and so the sweet time is between 3:45, no, 2:40, what is it? NASDAQ close at 1. I mean, I took close the next one at 6. Or close at 5. So when close at 10. Come on, crack right now. What did I close? Those? Yeah, 6. Come on, crack. So close at 6. Um, so that means that from 3:45 to 4, no, 4, yeah, 4:30. 3:45, 3:45, let's say 45, 15 something. This right here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, so between 15, 16, 12, I mean, 3:45 and 12:30. So right here, this area. And then you have a little box right here. It's not a backfill box, but it's creating it's resistance and support. On top of that, it's respecting my indicator, but just this. Let me see if I can find something. Yeah, see, there you go. Normally boxes tend to form that form right there that you guys just saw. We'll do this flat, the bottom flat, and then you start doing some little thing inside of it. And that tends to be the higher you go, the higher you'll see that it's forming these straight, your two resistance and your one support. I'll do your two supports and your one resistance and you run across and whatnot. But see, if I would have been, because when I saw them, when I was about to record right now, I saw Bitcoin. My alarm's going on Bitcoin, so I was paying attention more to Bitcoin and not this. And if I was paying attention more to this, I would have gotten another buy, especially because of the time frame. Before candle closed at 6, so that weak spot gonna be right there, especially after a good opening from a good earnings from a good company. You dig? And then I would have gone another profit and with another 30 or so or 40. Just because from here, I don't know where it's gonna stop. There's no strong resistance support. You only have this, and which is what I'm gonna see it go for, but I wouldn't really see it going for all that. I would just see it close somewhere here in this area and not all the way. Because this is tomorrow's data for tomorrow's data. If anything, I see it maybe coming back down here on this area, or it's gonna buy time here, and then later on 9-ish, 10-ish go for this. But yeah. But let me see SPX. See, with the SPX is different because this is already getting to its all-time high. See? So if you go to your monthly, weekly, actually, my bad. See, daily. This is our all-time high here. See? High. So, see the fact that it's here already. This is gonna slow it down right here. We're gonna get trapped inside of here. Why is there? This should be. Oh yeah, that's already on there. All right, stretch it out. Wait, take that bitch out. This one, spread across. That's what's gonna do. Okay. That's when you press to across. is a stronger resistance by support. And then from there you have this one that's on right now. See, another one. So it's gonna be a hard area to pass. All right, so I wonder if SPX is the same thing as NASDAQ over here in the 30 minutes. You see in the right area, in the right area. And also if I would have seen SPX, it would have told me, hey, we're about to notice after it opened, that's where we closed. And it was just and think about it, is what NASDAQ and SPX and NASDAQ SPX would have given me a better insight that yeah, we're going SPX. I know where SPX is gonna go and where the resistance is going to be. Unlike Bitcoin, where it didn't have nothing really to show me, just nothing but lines. So from here, what this tell me is that what we should see NASDAQ SPX by time here because we're coming across another uh, resistance area. And again, it's because we're already pretty much at the all-time high. All-time high is what did she say? Right over there. So with tomorrow's date and everything, and where it's at right here, this should be like our pit stop right here. First of all, you got this shit. You pretty much have like a box right here, another box. Flamboyant is right there. Oh, from that bitch. Ethereum crossing down. I wonder that's probably up. Watch. From right here to right here, which gonna be a hard time pass. So this area in general. So yeah, this should slow it down right here. And we should just see SPX by time here. I'll be really surprised if it keeps going through this. But I'm gonna go to sleep in a fucking while right now. Take a little snap. Right, and then Ethereum. Oh, it's where I have that alarm. That's why. Water candle? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, see what's talking about. Remember how I was talking about this 4 candle? Oh, that was Bitcoin. But pretty much same shit. That either we this 4 candle. It is a new day, I think. Then Yeah, the new days will be closed at 5, not at 6. Okay. So now we change, let me see, this line to right here, and it goes to orange. And this box goes to blue. So it's actually a blue box. And I mentioned how either this day closes below on it, we're gonna buy some time for Ethereum. They look kind of the same. So I said we're gonna buy some time between here and then going up. I didn't really see it going down for Ethereum. Or I said if it goes on up inside this box, then it's gonna continue, and then you're gonna see green and all indicating for more push on up. But anyways, let me go back to the NASDAQ. So yeah, still fucking bullish, like I fucking said. Um, all these candles were telling you. And I also sent a text to the homie, a screenshot, explain to him how this data in the morning was gonna move Bitcoin or give it at least some sort of push to continue on up. And that's what it did. Shit. Are you guys for a candle? Yeah, oh, yeah, kind of gray. Oh yeah, so I'll update you later on because we do have some data tomorrow, and I think that's data, not really earnings. All right, I'll update you guys later.